I'm very impressed with these digital calipers for two reasons. First of all, this caliper set is made of metal. It's very sturdy. Yes, some of the plastic ones can start to bend on you and it's hard to get a good measurement. But this is sturdy, it's made really well, and it's so easy to use. All I have to do is slide it open and it starts to work immediately and tell me the distance. Now, my neighbor educated me on calipers recently. We needed to measure something, and he showed me how to use his. And when I got these, he was so impressed. So there's a validation that these are great calipers. He was so impressed, he ordered the set just like it. These are very good calipers. They come in a handy case. They've got some nice features with a measuring stick or a ruler, and it even comes with some extra batteries. Very cool product, very handy. I recommend it.